Good morning, and thanks for joining me again today. It's a bit of a chilly day today. We'll be working on drakon render again. This time, I want to finish all the recommendations that we are getting from hlint, which could be very interesting. And if time allows, I would also like to go back to the real life diagram issue. A quick refresher, it's here, and keep adding to the diagram and see what is the next place for us to get stuck. So a quick refresher, this is what the real life diagram is. I just picked this one, random one from Wikipedia. So far we've managed to identify and also resolve a number of issues by implementing it. Let's see where we get stuck next. But before that happens, let's do more cleanup. So let's dive right into the code. I expect today's session to be very relaxed. We deserve a little bit of a slowdown after the pretty intense last number of days where I tried to implement the new layout algorithm. And it took a lot of tries, but I'm pretty happy with its current shape. I'm not saying this is the final version. Most likely it isn't, but that's software. Layout engine, line 661. Oh, that's just brackets. Now, it suggests that we use if, but it doesn't really say why. Let's still apply it. I thought it would just look nice because we have a case here and case here and case here. But let's see what happens. I might just do some research about what's the advantage of using if over case. I'll just add it to my notes. And let's paste the output produced by hlint. Oh goodness. No, I don't want to clear it. For now though, let's follow what hlint suggests. Well, I suppose it is less verbose. Same here, redundant bracket. Oh, that's a clever hint. So instead of defining the lambda, we can just have a partially applied not icon elem using the infix notation. That's very clever. I wouldn't think of that. Let's see if this compiles. But we still need the bracket. Does seem to compile. Okay, that's good to know. That's a good hint. That was very good. And here, brackets not needed. Reduce. To 10. Oh yeah. Use second from the bifunctor library. But before we do that, we're getting some warnings. Like this time GHC warnings. Let's see. $129. Oh, that is not very clever. Of me. Let's call it parent. One 68. Let's not change that. Would X be okay? I think it's better now. Icon parent album. Let's just go with X and Y here. It's pretty obvious what's happening. All right, so we're out of GHC warnings. That's good. Now let's focus on the bifunctor. Second method must agree with fmap. Oh, it's a functor in both arguments. Okay. which library is it? In base, okay. That's interesting. So render. So let's see them side by side. So we need to return a tuple, ds result, but before we do so, we need to apply dresult so we need to connect dresult and ds result. So this so second only applies the function to the second element of a tuple. Am I right? Yeah, map covariantly over the second argument. Okay, perfect. That's the signature. So we have a function and a functor that has two arguments, as the two parameters, a and b, and we're only applying the function to parameter b, which is the input of the function, output is c, and we return a function where the second argument is to see the result of the function, and the first parameter, not argument. First parameter is the first parameter of the input tuple. Okay, that was not so bad. And here, the solution is 110, so it will be 111. So let's try to write it from memory. Data by functor, and we do ps result, and here we apply concatenation, I believe, on second p result. Did I get it right? Second p result. It looks correct. Let's compile. Oh, sorry. Let's not forget the function we want to use. Section, okay. All right, I like that. Fewer brackets. And a redundant bracket. Come on, hlint, you can do better. I can do better too. That again. No warnings, no hints. Beautiful. Let's save it for later. But for now, since we still have a little bit of time, let's try to resume our work on the real life diagram. Let's see if my algorithm, the new layout engine algorithm, can handle it. Let's delete this SVG. It used to be this. Oops. All right. Now let's see what happens. No, this is the input. This is the preview. Let's split. Okay. Transport title, cryopreservation, headline, perfusion, which is a question that leads to icons 4 and 6. 4 is an action, perfuse the brain, so that's good. 6 is... What is 6? Oh, here, question. Remove the brain. Perfect. This is what we want. Which leads us to two questions. Question 100 and question 10. Sorry, 100 and question 7. 7 is a question. Remove alternative. So in case of a no, we go here. Oh, so that's the wrong connection. The connection from remove brain to remove alternative should go like this. And in the middle, and then go to the input. But that's fine, we can probably correct it pretty easily. So that's one thing to focus on. And let's see, 100. 100 is the end. Okay, so something is wrong here. Question 6, remove brain here. Yes, leads to the end. So it should be rendered here. Like this. And no should lead to seven, which is remove alternative. So technically 7 should be placed here. I'm not to the right. I'm not sure why it's shifted left. Okay, that's the issue we need to report. So let's do this. I'll report this issue now, and we'll start thinking about this. And that would be a good opportunity for us to wrap it up for today, because it means that we're making a mistake somewhere in the layout engine. The remove alternative should go to the right. And let's just check the remainder of the icons. Remove alternative, which is 7, also depends on the end. So there should be a straight connection to the end. And it depends on icon number 8, which is embalm. So embalm also should be shifted to the right. So this is also wrong. So remove alternative and embalm should be moved to the right. That's the issue. And the input for this is this. And it is a bug. Okay. All right, let's see how easy it is to resolve problems with the new algorithm. And I think that's a good moment to wrap it up for today. Thanks for sticking with me. Plan for tomorrow. Probably propose something sensible. as to how to resolve this layout problem, or at least how to troubleshoot it. And yeah, I'm very glad that we resolved all those warnings and suggestions. Pretty happy with the progress today. So thanks very much and have a lovely day.